Did Bashir just call Big Boss 19 fake and unfair?
सबसे पहले जो मुझे कहा गया था वहां पे कि आप इस हफ्ते एविक्ट होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ वोट्स इज प्योर.
Yes, Bashir Ali got evicted from the Big Boss house and it was a shocking eviction for his fans, the whole Big Boss contestants and the host Salman Khan.
Really?
I'm quite shocked myself.
कोई नहीं सर.
लेकिन ये वोटों के आधार पर आप दोनों को सबसे कम वोट्स मिले हैं, तो दोनों ही आज घर से बेघर हो रहे हैं.
In the video, it's clearly mentioned that the real reason behind the eviction was lack of votes, but after eviction, Bashir does not agree with that statement.
सबसे पहले जो मुझे कहा गया था वहां पे कि आप इस हफ्ते एविक्ट होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ वोट्स इज प्योर. नंबर्स स्पीक फॉर देमसेल्व्स. स्टैटिस्टिक्स हमारे सामने हैं. जिस हफ्ते मैं बॉस मीटर जीता हूँ, जिस हफ्ते मैं मंत्री ऑफ द वीक जीता हूँ, उसी हफ्ते में एविक्ट हो गया हूँ. ये वही लोग हैं जो वोट दे रहे हैं गाइस. ये वही लोग हैं जो मुझे ये सब जिता रहे हैं. ये कॉन्टेस्ट्स, ये सारे पोल्स, ये वही लोग हैं जो वोट कर रहे हैं. तो हाउ कैन आई गेट लेस वोट्स?
He even claimed by the rules there was supposed to be just one eviction that night, but he and Nihal got evicted at the same time, which was shocking for everyone. Many of his fans thought he was a winning contestant and would easily secure a place in the top 5. But sadly, the audience was left in shock, after which they have flooded the internet with a demand to bring Bashir back in the show. While some said the show is over for them as Bashir is no more in the show, many said Bashir should enter the show as a wild card entry. Well, if you are Bashir's fan, you will be very happy to know that Bashir has confirmed that if he ever gets invited back to Big Boss 19, he would happily join the show as he is still under contract and will obey every demand of the show. But what do you guys think? Do you think Bashir's eviction was unfair? And do you want to see him back in the show? Well, let us know. Kiara Advani finally posts a cute video of herself and her husband Siddharth after childbirth, and fans are really excited to see her. Ever since Kiara gave birth to a baby girl, Kiara stayed away from the camera, so much so that she hid behind an umbrella to avoid getting papped. But now, the wait is over for her fans as she looks healthy, radiant, and beautiful as ever. Moreover, the couple wore a beautiful yellow matching set for Diwali, making the appearance even more memorable. You see, Kiara has been the talk of the town ever since her pregnancy announcement. Just after the announcement, her film What to got released. In the film, she got massively trolled for her look in a bikini, with people saying it wasn't real and was AI generated. Some said that she was being used as eye candy without any prominent role, while some said her bikini look during pregnancy wasn't appropriate. And right after the film's release, she shocked the world with her Met Gala debut. Yes, she got invited to the Met Gala during her pregnancy. Many thought she wouldn't attend because she was hiding from cameras during her pregnancy. But to everyone's surprise, she attended the Met Gala with a bang. She chose a unique way to honor her pregnancy journey with this dress, which had an umbilical cord attached to her heart. The look was enough to melt millions of hearts with a feeling of love and warmth. After the event, Kiara was rarely seen at any event or occasion. And this is the first time in months that Kiara herself posted a picture wishing everyone a happy Diwali. Did you like Kiara and Sid's Diwali look? Jai Bhanushali and Mahi Veer's marriage has reportedly come to an end, and the reason behind it will shock you. Yes, one of television's most adored couples, Jai and Mahi, are said to be heading for a divorce after nearly 15 years of marriage. The fairy tale love story that once melted hearts now seems to have cracked under pressure, and the reasons are messy and unbelievable. Their love story began in true Bollywood style, a casual meeting at a party, some late night chats, and soon sparks flew. Then, Jai popped the question on New Year's Eve 2009, and the couple tied the knot secretly in 2010. Soon after, they went on to win Naach Baliye 5, proving that their chemistry wasn't just for the camera. Over the years, they adopted two kids, Rajveer and Khushi, and later welcomed their biological daughter Tara in 2019. From red carpet glam to adorable family reels, they looked like the perfect couple. But lately, the smiles have started to fade. Rumors of trouble began when Jai was spotted vacationing in Japan with his daughters but without Mahi. Social media detectives were quick to notice the missing couple photos. To add to the budge, Mahi's cryptic posts only fueled the fire. Reports now claim that trust issues and infidelity are at the heart of their split. Insiders allege that Mahi discovered Jay's involvement with someone outside the marriage. That's when things started to get messy, so much so that the couple are parting ways for a better future. Though nothing has been officially confirmed, fans are convinced something major went down behind the scenes. After months of silence, it's being said that the couple has decided to legally separate, marking the end of their once golden love story. From secret wedding vows to silent separations, Jay and Mahi's journey feels like a full-blown TV serial, just without the happy ending. But the question now is, do you think Jay betrayed Mahi? Or is social media blowing things out of proportion? What are your thoughts on this one? Is this the end of Jay Mahi forever, or just another celebrity chapter waiting for a twist? Rakhi Sawant is back, and this time not from a big boss house, but straight from the courtroom drama. Yes, Rakhi Sawant, the queen of controversy, has officially ended her legal war with ex-husband Adil Durrani. Rakhi Sawant is back, and this time not from a big boss house, but straight from the courtroom drama. Yes, Rakhi Sawant, the queen of controversy, has officially ended her legal war with ex-husband Adil Durrani. Rakhi had filed a case against Adil for domestic violence, while Adil had filed a case against Rakhi, accusing her of leaking his private videos and photos. In fact, Rakhi's bail was rejected by the court, and she was ordered for immediate surrender. But just to avoid jail, Rakhi stayed in Dubai. And now, after months of explosive allegations, both finally told the Bombay High Court they're ready to move on. Reportedly, both decided to drop the case by mutual understanding and dismiss the allegations they had made against one another. According to Adil, it was Rakhi who approached first for the mutual understanding and withdrawal of the case to move on in their personal as well as professional lives. But if you know Rakhi, you know she does not like boring stuff. So as soon as she entered India, she was seen dancing with her fans at the airport. She changed her whole look and even called herself the daughter of Donald Trump. And not just a few paparazzi clicks, Rakhi is already back in the entertainment business. She recently appeared on the show Pati Patni Aur Panga, looking totally transformed, curly hair, black shimmer sari, and her signature sass turned up to 100. For Rakhi, every controversy becomes her comeback. Netizens suspect she will be in Bigg Boss 19 to hype up other contestants and of course, to gain massive TRPs for the show. But for now, Rakhi Sawant is back in India and her fans know the drama is only getting started.